Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium-rare burger. First, select ground beef with an 80-20 fat content for the best flavor and juiciness. Next, form your patties to be about 1 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. Finally, season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. These initial steps are crucial for a truly delicious result. Now let's get that perfect sear. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking, then add about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Carefully place your seasoned patties into the hot skillet. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, then flip them just once. This single flip technique is key to developing a beautiful, flavorful crust on both sides. Achieving medium rare means hitting the right temperature. Insert a meat thermometer into the side of the patty, ensuring it reaches the center. Cook until the internal temperature reads between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the burgers from the heat and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period is vital for the juices to redistribute, keeping your burger incredibly moist. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns for a perfect texture. Then, pile on your favorite toppings. Think melty cheese, crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, juicy medium-rare burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.